clips for these are not easy to find. Okay, that does not easily come off. Okay, that came out. Really hard. Harder than expected. Okay, let's stop for a minute. Okay, that was really hard. That second vent was really hard, but it's out now. Okay. Okay, this is a continuation of the video. 10mm bolt removal. Should be easy. At least easier than getting the vents out. Fairly easy. Now we've got to unhook all of these cables. Okay, that was pretty easy. Well, we're installed now. I'm going to pause the video while I go through the setup. Okay, I'm going through the settings and trying to attempt to connect Bluetooth. So I'll see what we're supposed to do.
It's not only wild beasts, get a pack of them together. So hotel industry developers, they see that as an opportunity.
Okay, I'm going to attempt to connect my Android Auto to the phone, to the radio now. So I'll stop the video. Okay, the installation has been completed. All of the trim is installed and the unit seems to be working well. We'll crank it up and see here. Comes on, the door indicator is working. Both doors work. My wife reports that it connects to her Apple CarPlay. And the radio reception is good when she's on FM. We haven't tested AM, but all in all, we're very happy with the installation. It's a good looking unit and solved our problem of the old radio not working.